Hello everyone, my name is Tudor Urdesh, and in this updated release, I've added support for Stakater Reloader, which automatically patches deployments so that any change in Kubernetes secrets or ConfigMaps instantly triggers a rollout of the workload. This ensures your applications, including databases, always pick up the latest credentials automatically and securely. I will also run a stress test. I will deploy a Postgres database that includes 50 additional Kubernetes secrets created purely for load testing purposes, just to see how the automation performs under bulk onboarding conditions. With hard-coded secrets, the application uses a Postgres container and the client container that reads credentials from Kubernetes secrets. Let's check. As we can observe, we have the same demo used in the first video as well. There's a service account, 2025 Postgres -SA, coming from service account, and it uses 3 important sensitive informations like the username, password, and the database name. In the same time, because I mentioned we'll do a stress test as well, let's check the secrets.yaml file, which has I generated some dummy secrets beside the original 3 credentials used also in my first video. The only reason I'm doing and I'm adding this part is just to see how easy for our automation can be used to scan a live deployment an application and generate all the policies, onboard the application, and also onboard the secrets as well. You can deploy by using the script, also available in my GitHub repository. I'm selecting, or it will also create a namespace if it's not already there. Enter. And a couple of seconds, we should be able to observe the application app. The app will be up and running in OpenShift. Let's change to the automation namespace. We can also observe the logs from the DB client, which is successfully connecting to the database using my user. There are no errors, and we can switch to the automation version 1.1 to pick up the new playbook, which includes the reloader as well. And we just press launch template. We select the service account of our target of our application, which will be deployed in OpenShift. In my case, the service account, as in the previous video, it's called, let's double check, 2025 Postgres -SA. The namespace, which we already created, is to the automation -ns. The deployment name is Postgres, and the JWT authenticator dev cluster automation. You can launch it. Now the automation started. It will do all the steps meant for this part. Plus, in addition, it will also patch the deployment to use Stakater Reloader, as explained a couple of minutes ago. Every time secrets provider will update Kubernetes secrets, the reloader will start a rollout. So there will be, my database will not be impacted. It will replace a full restart, which usually is done manually. And we can check that everything is working as expecting by connecting and using the new credentials, which will be rotated. I'll rotate them manually. Now, as you can observe live, the deployment is up and running, and in just a moment we should observe that the automation finished. It will onboard around 53 Kubernetes secrets, plus it will patch the Kubernetes deployment. It will attach secrets provider as a sidecar, which is already done. As we can observe, there is a sidecar attached. Secrets provider will connect securely by using JWT authentication to Conjur to fetch to fetch the secrets from Conjur, plus the reloader, which is running already, and we can check. So if we move to Postgres secrets, you can observe the dummy secrets are already there, and which is specific to Conjur and secrets provider is that a config map was already created, as explained in the first part of the video. Now all the paths will remain static. Those are stored in Conjur, but the actual value behind those paths can be rotated. And we can do a live demo, as we can observe. Let's do a reload output. We also check the output. The Postgres, the application Postgres was scanned for Kubernetes secrets. The automation automatically created an identity, which is onboarded to Conjur. It detected 53 secrets, which also were onboarded to Conjur, together with the initial values, and everything related to policies, providing access to my application to read those secrets, everything related to JWT authentication, related to secrets provider, all the role bindings, plus the reloader were attached. JWT authentication is enabled. And if we can switch to Conjur Enterprise, to the web interface, we should be able to observe under the hosts field the new application, which was onboarded automatically. You can press on it. You can see it's coming, resides in the namespace to the automation S, and it's using the service account 2025 Postgres SA. In the same time, if you go to secrets, press on show more, we'll observe all the secrets which are scanned and automatically onboarded to Conjur as well, together with their values. Let's see database password. So it has the same value with my deployed Postgres database, my pass. And we can simulate a manual rotation. Let's say I'm willing to change not the password, I'm willing to change the actual username. Let's do that. So instead of having my user, let's say I want to change it to two-door user minus user. Okay, now, because we also attach the reloader, as you can see live, it already does its job, and it will do a rollout to our Postgres database, which doesn't affect secrets provider. Secrets provider is fetching the secrets as expected. And just to make sure that everything is up and running, we can try to log in by using the new updated value for the user. So instead of using my app user, I will try to check and connect by using two-door minus user. It's running. So the database is 776. Okay, I'll copy that, and I will be running a command which can be used to connect to the to my Postgres database with the new user. So two-door minus user. I also appended -w for us to ask for the password, my pass, and I'm logged in. Okay, just for the sake of the testing, let's do something even faster. So let's change right now to the user again, 2025 user. Okay, let's check also and change the password. So let's check. Okay, the password is Postgres password. So 2025 password. Okay, the automation is so fast, I trust that we can already run it. Let's check the pods. Automation -ns, and we can see it's already updated for under 6 seconds. Let's change the user. So the previous user was two-door. The new value is 2025 user, and the pod. Yeah, we also need to change the pod value. This new is the new one. Okay. Let's press enter, and just to show you that I'm copying the new updated password, and press enter, and I'm logged in. What the automation does, it will scan for the Kubernetes deployments for any referenced secrets. It will generate Conjur variables for each secret it finds with proper naming, annotation, and structure. It will load those variables into Conjur, the initial values of the secrets. It will onboard the actual workload of deployed in Kubernetes or OpenShift. It will patch the deployment with secrets provider. It will attach the reloader as well. All the authentication will be automatically configured by the automation. We are using JWT authentication. And in the end, let's check actually what was the time we proposed and we were expecting for our automation to be run by using 50 secrets. So it's 1 minute and 25 seconds. Just imagine all the hours which are removed from checking the Kubernetes deployment, modifying and attaching all the corresponding paths of the policies, adapting the Kubernetes deployment manually, adding reloader, etc., etc. All those things are done in 1 minute and a couple of seconds. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for joining, and please check my repository. I'm planning to add more options, functionalities, and to extend automation to SaaS to be integrated with Conjur Cloud as well. Thank you.